Hello everyone.
Happy January 16th. Today we celebrate nothing, hot and spicy food, and the joy of quirky indulgence. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry, more exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. It's National Nothing Day. A humorous reminder to take a break. A great gift could be a relaxation kit, a blank journal, or a cozy pillow. How do you enjoy doing nothing? Let's chill in the comments. It's International Hot and Spicy Food Day. A fiery celebration of bold flavors. A thoughtful gift could be a hot sauce sampler, a spice rack, or a chili cookbook. What's your favorite spicy dish? Let's heat up the comments. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. It's Appreciate a Dragon Day. A fun nod to myth and fantasy. A sweet gift could be a dragon figurine, a fantasy novel, or a themed puzzle. Who's your favorite dragon? Let's roar in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You'll find links to matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for February 16th to 20th. So you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching, everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.